Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on Redmi 13x. Okay, so in this video I'll show you two methods, in my opinion the best options how to create a backup on this device. So open up your settings. Now we need to click on About Phone, scroll down, click on Backup and Restore, and let's begin with the Xiaomi Cloud. To use the Xiaomi Cloud, you need to be logged into your Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, simply create it. It is really easy. Now, click on... Actually, we can also click on Sync Up Data. Okay. And now click on Backups. Click on Allow. In here, if you want, you can enable the automatic backups. It requires connection to Wi-Fi, battery power or of at least 50% and the screen turned off. You can also enable and change the backup schedule, but we can also do this manually. Now click on Backup Now to back up your data. Now the process will start, so let's simply wait until everything is finished. Alright, the backup has been successfully made. We can see the backup size. Click on Done. And now our backup has been successfully made. It should appear actually in here. I don't know why it doesn't pop out yet. Now, here it is. So now everything is fine. If you want to manage your backup, click on Backups, click on Manage, and in here you will have your backup. Okay. And now let's go into the second method. Click on Backup right in here below, and in here we can create a Google backup, which is also really cool and comfortable. Now under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. We need to remember this account because when we want to restore our backup in the future, for example during the setup process, that's the way and that's the moment when you can restore your backup. You'll need to log into that same Google account. So simply don't forget the mail and don't forget password to your account. Now make sure that Backup by Google One is enabled right in here. And when I cancel the backup details, in here we have a list of things that will be backupped. Okay, now to create a backup, simply hit Backup Now button. Now the process will start. Under the backup word, a thin bar should appear at any second. Okay, here it is. And you can see that it's starting slowly to fulfill. Now we need to basically wait until this bar disappears. We will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything goes fine. And also under the Backup by Google One sentence, we will see that our backup was made like 10 seconds ago. So I'll see you once the backup is made. Okay, now that the data has been successfully made, just like I was saying, under the backup word we can see that the backup was made 0 minutes ago, which means that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.